The 2025 BMW XM is here, and it's unlike anything else on the road today. Let's dive into what makes this $161,000 luxury performance SUV so special. First impressions are everything, and the XM demands attention with its controversial styling. That massive kidney grille and aggressive bodywork might not be everyone's cup of tea, but there's no denying its presence on the road. When this thing appears in your rearview mirror, you'll definitely know what it is. Pop the hood, and you'll find BMW's twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 working in harmony with an electric motor. The standard XM pumps out 644 horsepower, while the range-topping label version cranks it up to an incredible 738 horses. During testing, we launched the standard XM from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds. That's seriously quick for a vehicle weighing over 6,000 pounds. Though it's worth noting that competitors like the Lamborghini Urus are still slightly quicker. But straight-line speed isn't everything. The XM comes with a 25.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack that delivers 29 miles of pure electric range. That means you can handle your daily commute or run errands around town without using a drop of gas. When the battery runs dry, you'll see about 14 miles per gallon combined, though we managed to squeeze out 20 mpg during highway driving. Step inside, and you'll find yourself in what feels more like a high-end lounge than a typical SUV. The interior is absolutely gorgeous, with vintage-look leather upholstery and a wild geometric patterned headliner featuring fiber-optic lighting. BMW even throws in some fancy throw pillows for the back seats. Yes, you heard that right. Throw pillows in a performance SUV. The curved display running BMW's latest iDrive software is a technological masterpiece. It stretches across 2/3 of the dashboard and handles everything from navigation to vehicle settings. The graphics are crisp, the response is quick, and it's actually pretty intuitive once you get used to it. Out on the road, the XM is a bit of a mixed bag. The adaptive suspension with active anti-roll bars helps this beast handle surprisingly well for its size, pulling 0.92 G on the skid pad. But the ride quality isn't quite what you'd expect from a vehicle costing this much. Comfort mode is decent enough, but switch to sport mode and things get pretty firm. The powertrain, while incredibly powerful, sometimes feels a bit unrefined when transitioning between electric and gas power. For 2025, BMW has added Highway Assistant as standard equipment. This lets you drive hands-free at speeds up to 85 miles per hour on highways, and it even includes an eye-activated lane change feature. Pretty cool stuff. So, what's the verdict? The BMW XM is an impressive piece of engineering that combines serious performance with luxury and a dash of efficiency. The interior is stunning, the technology is cutting edge, and the performance will put a smile on your face. But it's not perfect. The ride could be more refined, the styling is definitely an acquired taste, and that $161,600 starting price is no joke. If you're looking for the most practical or refined luxury SUV, you might want to check out the Mercedes-AMG GLS 63 or even BMW's own X7. But if you want something unique, powerful, and guaranteed to turn heads, the XM delivers. It's a bold statement piece that shows where BMW is heading with its performance vehicles, a future where hybrid power doesn't mean compromising on excitement. Let me know in the comments what you think about the XM. Is this the future of performance SUVs, or has BMW gone too far? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest reviews. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.